The Challenge or Doctor's House Call is an upcoming Russian space docudrama film by Klim Shipenko. It is the first feature-length fiction film shot in outer space. Cosmonaut Ivanov loses consciousness while the spacecraft is in flight. Doctors decide that it will be necessary to perform heart surgery right in zero gravity. Cardiac surgeon Zhenya, who does not have time to raise her teenage daughter, is preparing for the flight. On May 14, 2021, the Interagency Committee approved the composition of the IS main and alternate crews for the period 2021 to 2023. Cosmonaut Anton Skuplerov and the crew of the film Challenge, actress Yulia Peresild and director Klim Shipenko, will go to the IS on the Soyuz MS-19. The drama is a joint project of Roscosmos, Channel 1 and the Yellow, Black and White Studio. The alternates chosen after passing the medical committee are new drama theatre actress Alyona Mordovina, director Alexei Dudin and the commander Oleg Artemyev. Since May 24 the crew members have been training at the Yuri Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center. On July 23, the prime crew participated in a 4-hour simulation inside a Soyuz replica while wearing the Sokol suit, and on July 28, the backup crew completed the same exercise. According to the commander, Oleg Artemyev, the performance of the two backup spaceflight participants was outstanding. On July 30, the spacecraft had its pre-launch preparation started. On August 31, the medical committee announced that both the main and reserve crew were healthy for space flight. The filming equipment was launched at Progress MS-17. It is planned that the director and actress will return to Earth on October 17, 2021 on Soyuz MS-18. With Commander Oleg Novitsky, cosmonaut Pyotr Dubrov and astronaut Mark Vandehe, who arrived at the IS on Soyuz MS-18, will join Skuplerov on the landing of Soyuz MS-19. Soyuz MS-19 is scheduled to land on March 28, 2022. About 3,000 applications were submitted for the main role, the number of which was reduced to 20 to 30, after which Peresild was chosen. To prepare for filming, Klim Shipenko trained intensively, dropping 15 kilograms of weight. In flight, he himself will perform the functions of an operator, makeup artist and production designer. Anton Skuplerov will become the ship's commander, while Shipenko and Peresild will fly in the status of spaceflight participants. The backup crew is cosmonaut Oleg Artemyev, cameraman Alexei Dudin and actress Alyona Mordovina. It is planned that the footage filmed in space will be approximately 35 minutes of the final timing of the film. According to Ernst, the motivation of the filmmakers is to confirm Russia's leadership in the space sector and to restore the prestige of the cosmonaut profession in the eyes of the younger generation. The unique experience of express training for non-professional flight may subsequently be useful for the real need to send scientists or doctors into space. The launch of the spacecraft is scheduled for October 5 from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. The development of the project will be covered within the framework of the Evening Urgent program, whose members will move to the Cosmodrome a week before launch. From September 12 on the first channel there will also be a reality show called The Challenge, the first in space, about the specifics of the selection and training of project participants. Klim Shipenko will have to shoot about 35 to 40 minutes of film on the IS, as well as taking on the position of director, operator, art director, and makeup artist. Oleg Novitsky and Peter Dubrov will appear in the film, with Dubrov and Mark Vandehe assisting in the production. Skuplerov will appear in some scenes of the movie. The film, which according to Dmitry Rogozin, head of Roscosmos, is an experiment to see if Roscosmos can prepare two ordinary people to fly in about 3 or 4 months, has received opposition from the scientific and aerospace communities as to the fact that they remove trained cosmonauts from their flights, a misuse of public money, or even that using the station's resources for non-scientific purposes would be illegal. Sergei Krikalev, director of crewed programs at Roscosmos, reportedly lost his position by speaking out against the project, but was reinstated after a few days following protests from cosmonauts on and off active duty.